Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. We've got a wonderful 3-layered Oreo brownie and cookie cake for you today. Want to give it a go? Chuck some Oreo cookies into a blender. Give it a whiz. Brilliant. Now add 250 grams of butter to a mixing bowl and blend it up. Pour in 400 grams of icing sugar in 2 parts. That's to stop it getting too messy. Whisk away. Excellent! Your buttercream icing is ready to split into 2 bowls. In one bowl, pour your mashed Oreo. Mix it up. Now layer that on your vanilla cake, spreading it out evenly. Chocolate brownie goes on top, more buttercream icing, and a giant chocolate chip cookie. Amazing. Smooth around the outside and coat in plain buttercream icing. Hiding the wonderful layers that lie within. Now melt some dark chocolate in hot whipping cream. And your chocolate ganache is ready to pour on the cake. Carefully spreading it out, letting it drip down the sides, and decorate with brownies, Oreo cookies of course, and let's not forget chocolate chip cookies. And there you have it! A cake with cookies and brownies! Delicious! Why not give it a go? Enjoy!